Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Today I will be working on this 60 by 80 centimeter canvas and I want a dark base. So let's get started. I do want to wet the canvas and so the colors become lighter because it's wet and it's diluted with the water. So I might need to use multiple layers to get it quite dark. But let's see. All right, so I will be dropping just some colors and create a background here. It's a Jenkins green, a phthalo green, a turquoise, and a Payne's gray. Create a little bit of a green aqua background. Alright, so this is definitely too light. Let's add more and let's keep building this up. Alright, a little bit more. You see, I wasn't lying when I said I want this dark. But it would be nice if I have a part that's lighter. So now I've covered the canvas with this color. I want to create some brush strokes, how I want the composition to be. You know, if I press really hard, then I will get a bit more of the color off. And I can create some highlights here. It's beautiful, isn't it? I will rinse out this brush because I think I don't want to use this again. Then I will be working with some interference colors here and let's see where everything goes. I'm back. Let's start working with some iridescent colors. I have here an iridescent gold. I hope this is still wet enough. Oh yeah. All right, so everything flows this way. So I guess the painting will be like this. So I think it's better for me to start working like this as well. Quite happy how this looks. All right, so now this is still wet. I want to go in with some white. Don't have a real plan here, but maybe that will come later. I like that yellow a lot here. I'm not really speaking in this process because I'm really concentrating. I don't know if this is working out. I'm starting to like what is going on. Still, I'm not speaking a lot. I'm really concentrating. This part I don't like and there definitely needs to happen a lot more. I'm friends with my painting now, so I can start feeling what it needs. Like I said, these two white lines, more Not a fan. I do love here that there's a lot of white. Yeah, I do like that. This is a fun one, very abstract. You know, I might just pour here a lot more white and go there, but I'm loving this part here. What are you guys thinking about this? A lot of white, gonna be risky. This part here, I love so much. I need something here. From here. I will just go and do that. I'm just struggling with the stem here. I'm working so hard on this. It's like a never-ending story for me. It's like almost like this. It's like I do something and then I see something I want to change. This is beautiful.